when you start living in a new house, then there are a number of things that one can do to purify the place spiritually. And the burning of incense that you mentioned definitely is one of the main things. And they're important to go really in every room, and even I would say go in every corner, and the corners at the ceiling are actually the most important. So when I do that, I usually put some incense sticks on a broomstick so that I can really reach into every corner high up and smoke out anything that might be lurking there. It's one of the best ways. And then to use mantra while doing that is also very logical. And the best mantra will then always be your mantra of preference, the mantra which you have been working a lot, will have the most power there. But you might alternate a little bit, using some mantras which are maybe having a strong cleaning effect by their particular energy. And there, in the Hindu tradition, mantras related to Shiva and to Devi or Kali, Durga, they will be the most efficient to remove any negative energies. So Shiva mantra, Bhairav mantra, which is also Shiva, Mahamrityunjay mantra, which is also Shiva. Then you have Kali mantra, Durga mantra, other Devic mantras. They will be the most useful, but why not throw in some Vishnu mantras also, Maybe in the end, they are more purifying in the sense they bring good energy. Kali mantras, Shiva mantras, they are destructive forces. They destroy basically the ego. So they will remove whatever is like really having a little bit of a negative intent or feeling. But then why not also bring some good energy there? And then we use Krishna and we use Ram and Sita and Lakshmi and all these energies. They are also purifying in the way that they bring good energy. But that comes second. First we remove the unpleasant energy, then we bring good energy. In that way, even more can be done, for example, then by, but okay, you don't have to do that now in your new apartment, throwing around rice, using these mantras, bringing that energy everywhere in the house. These are things that can be done. And really good to do, because whoever lived before there had some spiritual relationships, had some energy. And some of that energy probably just, went along with them and their furniture, let's say. But some may have remained. So maybe I should add, though, that if anybody is complaining to you about their house and thinking there's some really bad energy, maybe some sounds are there or something, then you shouldn't just do that. You should not just, go there without protection and start singing mantra and throwing around rice and incense, It might work, but it might also create a problem for you. I do a few houses a year like that, where really something is there. It's really hard. And if people have this idea that somehow to a house something is attached, because strange things happen, let's say, and strange sounds are heard, then that is, spiritually speaking, quite serious. Because only spiritual beings who are really very disturbed attach to a house or a place. And, in your case of your apartment, whatever energy is still there from, the previous owner, whether happy or unhappy, let's say, when you are moving in and they feel your energy is not suiting their energy, they will move out anyway. But so when an energy really does not want to move out, has a very strong attachment to this place, and that is serious business in spiritual healing. Not easy to solve. Sometimes better make peace with it even. Make a deal. When I say make a deal, I mean, you really have to then be able to talk to them through the healing energies, and say, okay, you can stay, but you can only be in the attic, and you cannot make any strange sounds or in other way disturb the people living here. And in return, let's say every moon, they will put a plate for you with some gifts. And then the people have to do that. But normally first I try to get it out. But sometimes it is hard. Now, whenever you do this cleaning of your place now, it should be done in, let's say, positive way. You bring in good energy there. You bring good mantra power there. You bring good smell there. In that way you should move around. Not like chasing spiders, You understand? It's a different attitude. And that attitude is very important. If that attitude is there, just like maybe you are a little bit more also cleaning the place and, making it look nice and hanging nice things on the wall and bringing nice incense and bringing nice mantra and so on. That is the best way actually in terms of attitude.